Hi, welcome to Eclectibles. Today we've got a box break for you. This is Charmed Forever by Inkworks, back from 2007. The box contains 36 packs, 6 cards per pack. What we're after here, or the most exciting piece I would say, would be the 2 Pieceworks cards per box. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Now with 36 packs, there's probably going to be quite a few packs where we don't get any major pulls such as inserts or anything like that. So just for time's sake, we will probably buzz through those packs pretty quickly. There are some inserts. I believe one insert is 1 per box, and then a few others that are approximately around 2 per box. Alright, so we'll start on the right hand side. So like I said, we will go through these pretty quickly because with most Inkworks products you are going to get the base set pretty guaranteed. So this looks like our first little insert, and they lived happily ever after, Paige and Henry. So it's LH3, and the rest are base cards. I believe this set was actually done at the end or towards the end of the run of Charmed. Of course, it had the 3 main characters, which at this time I believe Shannon Doherty had been replaced. So here is an insert, a puzzle card. Like most Inkworks products, one of the insert sets was a puzzle card of 9 cards. This happens to be L5. One interesting thing with this particular season is Kaylee Cuoco was brought in as the 4th sister, I think, long lost sister. And I think she does have a Pieceworks card as part of the Pieceworks set. As expected, a little bit of dry run towards the center. Another insert, Forever Family, Ryan and Kaylee, FF number 3. So it looks like our first Pieceworks card, and it is a Pieceworks card, and that looks like Rose McGowan. Yep. Item featured, piece of the pants worn by Rose McGowan as Paige in Season 7 episode Carpe Diem. Demon, my goodness. So that's one of the cool cards in the box. And here we have another insert, Forever Family, Forever Friends. This one is FF4. Don't think that well, here's another insert. Okay, this is part of the puzzle. Looks like the lower border, L6 of the legacy puzzle. And one of the things that kind of hurts Inkworks quite a bit, I love the company, but they did tend to have a lot of redemption cards. So if you're busting old packs like this, there is that fear of having that dreaded redemption as one of the main hits in the box. This particular product, I think, only had 1 redemption. Most of the time the redemptions did happen to be the autographs. In this product, didn't have any autographs. It was just simply Pieceworks cards, but there was one variant Piecework card that did have the dreaded redemption. Alright, so that finishes up the right hand side. Now we'll move on to the left. And most Inkworks cards had a box loader. This one doesn't appear to have one. Either that or we just got shorted the box loader card. And with my experience with the Inkworks cards, they did back in the day guaranteed one base set per box. My experience usually got pretty close to 2, if not 2. And if you didn't get 2, you were 1 to 2 cards short. Most of the current product have 24 packs per box. These were 36. And with a like a 72 card set, the math works out that you could potentially get those 2 full base sets. So at this point in time, you're seeing lots of doubles, and in a few cases, some triples. So no inserts on this side of the box. It's the header card. Alright, here we have one of the Forever family and Action FF number 2. Most of the insert sets tended to be around 9 to 12, maybe 15 cards, and some were a little bit smaller than that. Another of the puzzle inserts, looks like the bottom right corner, L3. Here is our other Pieceworks card, so get it turned the correct way, and very cool. So Kaylee Cuoco, piece of the jacket worn by Kaylee Cuoco as Billy in season 8, episode Kill Billy Volume 1. So of course she was not the lead actress on Big Bang Theory at this time, so I guess relative unknown unless you watched the show 8 Simple Rules for Dating My Teenage Daughter, where she started. So that's actually a very cool and interesting pull for us. And looks like we're down to our final 4 packs. Not really expecting anything out of the ordinary here, but we will go through the motions and finish the box. So overall, pretty successful. First and foremost, we did not get a redemption. That is expired. And we did get the 2. So to finish things off, here's the final puzzle card, L4. And just to quickly review, I'll go ahead and place the 2 Pieceworks cards on the top for one last look of the Rose McGowan and the Kaylee Cuoco Pieceworks cards. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we hope to be back with some more box breaks soon. Thanks.